Hello friends, welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today, I will show how to create a split screen template using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. At first, we will create a green screen template like this. I have imported two images. One is white color and the other is green color. First, add the white color image to the timeline. Set the duration to 7 seconds. Now add the green color image and adjust the duration with the white background. Add the rectangle mask to the green screen. Adjust the size and place it left side. Create a duplicate copy of the green screen using the Alt plus left mouse button. Place it in the middle of the white screen. Keep some gap between green screens. Create another duplicate copy of the green screen and place it on the right side. Select the first green screen. Add 4 keyframes to the mask position at 0 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, and 5 seconds 25 frames duration. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Move the position of the mask left side by changing the X position. At this point, hide the mask completely left side. Forward the playhead at the 4th keyframe. At this point, also hide this mask left side completely. Now select the 3rd green screen placed on the right side. I will work on the middle green screen later. Add 4 keyframes to the mask position, same as the first green screen, at the same duration. Keep the playhead at the first keyframe position. Hide the mask right side completely by changing the X position. Forward the playhead to the 4th keyframe and hide the mask again to the right side. Select the green screen placed in the middle. Add 3 keyframes to the mask position at 0 seconds, 2 seconds, and 4 seconds duration. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Hide the mask at the bottom by changing the Y position. Forward the playhead at the 3rd keyframe position. Add the first keyframe to the size. At 6 seconds duration, add the 2nd keyframe to size. Keep the playhead at 6 seconds duration. Increase the width of the mask at this point. Forward the playhead at 6 seconds and 10 frames duration. Increase the height of the mask and make it full screen. Now the template is ready. Select all and create a compound clip using the right mouse button. Now I have placed the template to the above video track. I have imported some videos. Add a video to the timeline. Select the template and enable the comma key from cutout. Select the color picker and click on the screen when it shows the green color circle. If required, you can change the strength value. You can make the border transparent by reducing the opacity of the template. If you want to add more videos, it is very simple. Just add videos and create duplicate copies of the template. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.